My name is Jim Roach. I'm the owner of Shelves2Drawers. Most cabinets, they're very inefficient. They're open boxes, and it makes it a real pain in the neck to use your cabinets. Our product helps people gain that accessibility to the cabinets. You're able to pull your items out and be able to see them clearly.
Shelves2Drawers has changed my organization tremendously. I didn't realize how much wasted space were in the cabinets until I actually had the drawers to fill those.
Shelves2Drawers has totally revamped my time and my life with regards to items that I would find in the bathroom. And it's so easy. I can move the drawer out with a simple move of a finger. It's made a big difference, time-wise, but physically, and I feel safer.
When you contact us at Shelves2Drawers, we'll get you set up with a free in-home estimate. We'll look at all of your cabinets and help design a system that'll work for you, taking in mind the items that you store in the cabinets and kind of the overall workflow of the kitchen.
The great thing about the product that we provide, we make our own rollout drawers. And so the ability for us to manufacture in-house means that we give the very best product that we can to our customers.
The heaviest amount of weight we have on one of our Shelves2Drawers products is our bar area. It rolls out very easily. It feels very sturdy. There's no wobbling, there's no sagging, there's no dragging, as is happening just with some canned goods in one of the other shelves that is from the cabinet company.
It's pretty obvious to me that it is a family business because of the amount of caring that they have both towards your needs and getting the end results.
Once you see their product and you've used their product, there's no comparison. It's unmatched. And then to have it be a family-run business on top of that, it's kind of a no-brainer.